Hello guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a button that changes when you hover over it. So this is going to be the first video in my HTML series, and CSS, because I'm assuming you guys at least know the basics of HTML. So yeah. Alright, so we're going to go into Notepad, just open it up. We're just going to, Alright, now that that's done, you're just gonna make a button. We're gonna make the class, let's just make a button. Make this simple. Okay. Oh, jeez. Alright, and then let's just write hi. And so you can see it better. Actually, no, I'll just change the text size. Alright, so that's your button. Now we're going to save that into, I just have Alright, so we're going to save in here as index.html, change this to all files, save. Alright, now what we're going to do is we're going to make a new, I just do it like this, Notepad. Alright, so we're going to make a new one, let's move it over here. We're just going to do dot button, enter, boom, and we're gonna do background. Actually, I spelled that. Alright, so background is none, border is going to be 1 pixel, solid black. And then we're going to do a transition. This makes it look smoother when you hover. Now let's put 0.2 seconds. And let's change the font size to 1.5 VW. The VW just makes it so it changes with your screen size. Alright, so now what we're going to do is dot button hover. Okay. No, that's the wrong thing. Alright, and then that, and then you're going to do a transition to make it look smoother. 0.2 seconds. Then you're going to do a color that's going to change the text color white. And then we're going to make the background color black. So that'll happen on hover, and we're not going to change anything else. And actually, no, let's make the, no, never mind. Alright, so we'll keep it. So yeah, so you have this makes the background visible, makes it have a border, that changes the font size, and the transition makes it look smoother. So when it changes to the hover, it'll take 0.2 seconds to do that, just makes it look better. So we're going to come over to this one, the index, and in the head we're going to do link rel equals style sheet, and then ref equals primary.css. Alright, and then now we're just going to close that, so that'll be there, save it. We're going to come over here, save that into same thing as index, all files, primary.css, save. Okay, and then now we're going to come into files. You're going to open up your folder that you had it in. We're going to right click, open with Google Chrome, and alright, so we have hi, then when you hover over it, changes. And see, hold on, let me show you what it would look like without the transition. Let's just comment that. Save. Refresh. See, it just looks too quick. Now it's, and the reason why you had to put on both is because this is what would happen if it were to be on one of them. it would look like this. It would look smooth going into it, but then when you go out, it's very clunky. So yeah, that is the tutorial for today. Showing you how to make a button that changes when you hover over it. So yeah, you want to use that dot, whatever, and then that, and then hover. So yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.